Hello everyone! Today we continue working with the asymmetric skirt. I want to show you how to take it. I'm making spacing seams on the center front. Imagine how comfortable it is to work when you think about everything in advance. Spacing seams make our work much easier. Such small details are very convenient. When attaching interfacing here, you will know where to stop. You also won't make a mistake when pressing it close. This is the only way to make an item of a good quality. I can detach the pattern now. Have a look at this angle. Make a small 7 mm cut here. Have a look here. Fold the edge and cut the angle. Next I need to tack this part. I know that the process seems very complicated, but actually it's not. Start taking this part from the notch. You know that you can change the designs I show you however you like. I just show you the techniques. This detail will look better when it's doubled and stitched. The lower part of the fly front should be left intact, and the upper part folded and tacked this way. Those who have slim waists should make a long fly front. I don't need it. I basically don't have a waist. I think that my body is absolutely perfect, pretty square. It's so convenient to sew for me. There's some difference here, but I remind you that the item is just tacked for fitting. I'll be more accurate when stitching the skirt. I think that everything is clear so far. Next I'll tack the back, and then I'll show you how to cut and tack the pockets. First I need to tack the center back, and then tack the yoke to it. I want to make this line a bit more straight. Now I can tack the yoke to the back detail. I also want to show you today how to cut the pockets and prepare them for a fitting. I'm not going to try the skirt on today. I'll do it when I make a vest. I think that this tutorial is very useful. I'll take the second half of the yoke off the camera. Be very attentive. There are some very complicated techniques, but we don't use them. First, we need to cut lining. This is how the lining looks like now. I remind you that I drew the underlay piece. I'll cut it. Everything is very simple. I'll mark the wrong sides in these details. These round edges should be stitched with an overlocker. I'm not going to do it now. I'll just pin the details to the lining. You need to edge the detail with an overlocker and stitch this edge. This is how the pockets look like now. Beautiful and very simple. Next, I need to pin these details to the front. I need to pin the lining to the front. There will be the underlay piece inside the pocket. These details should be stitched face to face. These details should be stitched face to face. The seam should be doubled with interfacing. It's not hard to pin this detail. Pin the edge to the pocket, then fold the detail in half and pin it. It might be not hard to make an asymmetric skirt, but I also showed you fast and easy way to make pockets. I think that this is a pretty useful technique. The pockets are ready, and so is the fly front. I'll make these details match later. I'll remove the tagging and tack them once again. I still need to tack the side seams. I remind you that this detail will be overcast. This is the front. And this is the back. The yoke will be top stitched. You saw that the darts in the back were very small, but they still make the skirt fit me perfectly. I'll tack the side seams off the camera. I'll also make a waistband. I'll show you the skirt together with the vest. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. I hope that you'll find my tutorial useful. Now you know what you should pay attention to when cutting in order not to have problems later. My name is Paukšte Irina. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, and press the like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.